Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to set up Google Tag Manager in your Wix account. So to do that process, you have to come to your dashboard of Wix and just scroll this section over here until you see this marketing and SEO. And once you see this, just search for marketing integrations and click marketing integrations. And once you click this interface is going to open for you, where you can see that you get these options in here. This is the Google Tag Manager. Just click this connect button, and once you click this connect button, you can see that I am on a free version, and you can just upgrade your site with a premier plan to connect Google Tag Manager. And once you are on a premium plan, you can just add your Google Tag Manager by clicking this button and just add your ID and click save, and you're good to go. So that's how you add or connect your Google Tag Manager on your Wix account. And I hope you like the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.